measurements.com, and one of the biggest emails I always get, everybody asks, what do you do to tone your arms? There's not really one single exercise you can do that's going to give you nice toned arms or give you the nice like chisel definition, but there's a few exercises I do that are a little bit different than traditional curls and push-ups or tricep extensions. So I'm going to show you 2 bicep exercises and 2 tricep exercises that I personally love, maybe a little different than what people normally do. So for biceps, I do something that it's been called multiple names, either an iron cross, a salute curl, whatever you want to call it. And basically the reason I do it is because it targets a different area of your bicep. So instead of just a typical curl right here or a hammer curl, this one is going to come straight across. So all you really have to do is you're going to hold it as if you were doing a hammer curl. You're going to come across like you're saluting a flag. So this really takes a little bit of effort. So you don't want to use a really heavy weight, but whenever you do this, you're going to feel it hit a different peak on your bicep. So it tends to get the inner bicep, the part that a lot of people miss out on, but you want to keep your back straight up, straight across. That's all it is to it. This is called the iron cross. So that's a bicep exercise. Another bicep exercise I do is a reverse curl. Now a lot of people do this, so it's not an abnormal exercise. However, most people don't do it with dumbbells. A lot of people use a straight bar or an easy bar with it. So I like using dumbbells for almost everything just because it makes sure that you're nice and balanced out in your arms. I use it for legs as well just to make sure you're not pulling more on one side than the other. So you follow the exact same format as you would with the bar, except you're going to do it with dumbbells. So same thing. You want to keep your palms facing back. So reverse, and you're just going to curl straight up. Now, it's a little bit harder to keep them straight across, but you want to keep your elbows to your side. You may get a little bit of a turn like I am at the top, but you're really going to feel it hit the lower part of your bicep. So like right now, I feel it more right here, where in the iron cross curl, I felt it on the inside. So it's important to hit the different peaks. So those are your 2 bicep ones. For my triceps, there's the traditional tricep push down that a lot of people do, which is awesome. I love it, it's great. But I also like to do something a little bit more that's isolated. So this is called a side push down. I'm gonna use a cable. Basically, when you come up, it's almost as if you're flexing your bicep. When you come down, you're gonna turn your palm straight back. So you grip it with your palm facing out. You're gonna keep your elbow to your side. Some people, you can even support your elbow if you want. When you come down, you're going to turn your palm back, so it's going to be facing your leg. But you want to stay nice and straight. Do not use your shoulder or anything in this. So notice that my elbow down is the only thing that moves. Everything else stays nice and straight. Same thing with the weight. If you do feel it start to burn your shoulder, you need to drop the weight down. And then you simply switch sides. So same thing on the other side. Staying straight up, make sure your core is tight. My palm is facing out. Elbows to the side, push straight down and squeeze when you come down each time. So my shoulder's not moving, nothing's moving except for from the elbow down, and I'm turning my palm in when I come down. Just like that. So that's a tricep one I really like. Other tricep one is a kickback. A lot of people do kickbacks, tend to use either a cable or you can use a dumbbell. I prefer dumbbell again because I think it balances you out a little bit more. So you can do one at a time. I prefer to do one at a time so I can focus a little more on one arm instead of trying to swing both at the same time. Like every other tricep exercise, you want to make sure you're not using your shoulder in this. So keep your elbow to your side. You're going to bend over. Palm is facing in as if you were curling. When you come back, I like to turn my palm up. So you can keep it straight if you want. A lot of people do. When I come back, I prefer to turn my palm up. It gives it a little more of a tweak in your tricep, and it really forces you to squeeze at the top. So again, choose a weight that's not super heavy. Choose something that doesn't put a lot of strain on your shoulder. If you tend to have rotator cuff issues or anything like that, you're going to want to keep it pretty light. If that's not a challenge for you, you can use a cable. You can do the exact same thing with a cable. But anyways, I got a lot of emails from you asking what I do for my arms, what are some great exercises. There's not one. These are just some of my favorites that I incorporate regularly. I'm actually probably going to work my arms out today. But consistency too. Make sure you stick with the program and you make it a habit every week to work it out. Working out one time is not going to give you results. You have to make it a consistent habit. So watch the next video. If you enjoyed this, comment below. I love hearing from you guys. I love your questions. And until next time,